In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Google Drive storage full problem. The first method you want to do is clear unwanted files. For that, open Google Drive app, then tap on the menu icon at the top left. Now tap Storage. Here tap More Details, then tap Clean Up Space. Now choose a category such as Large Files, then tap Large Drive Files. Now select the files you want to delete, then tap on Delete. After that, tap Permanently Delete. Now for the next method, you want to launch open Google Photos app. Tap on your profile picture, scroll down and tap on the Free Up Space option. Then tap Free Up Space again, then tap Allow. For the next method, you want to launch open Gmail app. Here on the search bar, you want to type #attachment space larger $5 MB or any size, then tap search. Now select the emails you want to delete. Tap on the delete icon. Now tap on the menu icon, scroll down and tap on bin. Then tap empty bin. Now confirm deletion. Finally, you want to download and remove files from Drive. For that, launch open Google Drive, select files you want to download, tap on the three dots, tap download. After it has been downloaded, tap the three dots again and tap on move to bin. Now open your menu, tap on bin, then tap empty bin and tap delete forever. In this way, you can easily fix the Google Drive storage full problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.